As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, and that can be a big problem. Weak muscles can lead to falls, poor balance, and even a shorter lifespan. Scientists call this age-related muscle loss sarcopenia. By the time you're 60 or older, your body might be losing muscle faster than it's building it. But what if I told you there's a simple way to fight this, and it starts while you sleep? In today's video, we'll explore a science-backed way to slow down muscle loss using simple foods before bed. No gym required, no fancy supplements, just real nutrition with real results. Let's get into it. Step 1. Why sleep is key to muscle recovery. You probably know that exercise helps build muscle, but did you know that most of the recovery happens while you sleep? Deep sleep triggers the release of growth hormone, your body's natural muscle builder. But if you're not sleeping well, that process is interrupted. Poor sleep increases stress hormones and inflammation, which can lead to faster muscle breakdown. So improving sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's about protecting your muscles as you age. Step 2. What you eat before bed matters. Eating the right nutrients at night can support your body's recovery process and help you hold on to muscle. Here are 4 powerful foods that make a real difference. Kiwi. This small fruit is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and natural melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. Studies show that eating kiwi before bed can improve sleep quality. Plus, it's rich in potassium, which supports muscle function. Try eating 1 or 2 kiwis about an hour before bed. Eggs. Eggs are a high-quality source of protein and rich in leucine, a key amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis. They also contain choline and vitamin D, both of which help maintain healthy muscles and nerves. A simple boiled egg or a light omelet can do wonders before bedtime. Pumpkin seeds. Just a handful gives you magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, all essential for sleep and muscle recovery. Magnesium relaxes the muscles, zinc helps with repair, and tryptophan turns into melatonin in the brain. Snack on a small portion with some fruit for a satisfying nighttime combo. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps feeding your muscles overnight. It's one of the best bedtime snacks for older adults. A small bowl with some berries or a drizzle of honey gives you both flavor and function. Step 3. Build a simple night routine. Want to take action? Here's a sample bedtime mini routine. 1 to 2 kiwis about 1 hour before bed. 1 boiled egg or a light omelet 30 to 60 minutes before bed. A small handful of pumpkin seeds with some fruit, or half a cup of cottage cheese with a spoon of honey. You don't need to eat all of these, just choose 1 or 2 that suit your taste and digestion. Bonus tips to support muscle health after 60. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water throughout the day. Muscle tissue is about 75% water. Get sunlight. Vitamin D from sunlight helps with muscle strength. Move regularly. Even light activity like walking or stretching helps activate your muscles. Avoid added sugars. They cause inflammation, which slows recovery. Choose fresh fruits and whole foods instead. Remember, it's never too late to start caring for your muscles. A few smart changes at night can go a long way toward protecting your strength, your mobility, and your independence. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next tips on healthy aging and longevity. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next one.